In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to n8n. By the end, you'll have a secure OAuth connection set up so your workflows can read and send emails through Gmail. Start by opening the Google Cloud Console and creating a new project. Give it a clear name and make sure it's selected as the active project at the top of the page. This keeps your Gmail configuration organized and separate from other work. Open APIs and services, go to Library, search for Gmail API, and enable it. Enabling the API tells Google that this project is allowed to request Gmail access on your behalf. Next, go to APIs and Services and open the OAuth consent screen. If you're not on Google Workspace, choose External. Fill in the required app details such as the app name and user support email so the permission prompts look professional and trustworthy. Add a reachable developer contact email as well. This is where Google may send important notices about your OAuth app. Now head to APIs and Services and select Credentials. Click Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. For the application type, pick Web Application. Give the client a descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Before creating it, you need to add at least one authorized redirect URI. Open n8n in a new tab, go to Credentials, choose Add Credential, and select Gmail OAuth 2. On that screen, copy the callback or redirect URL that n8n shows you. Paste that exact URL into the Authorized Redirect URIs field back in the Google Cloud Console. It must match perfectly, including the protocol domain and path. Click Create and you'll see a client ID and client secret. Keep these secure. You'll paste them into n8n next. Return to n8n in the Gmail OAuth 2 credential. Paste the client ID and client secret from the Google Cloud Console. When you're ready, click Sign in with Google to authorize. Choose the Gmail account you want n8n to use and accept the requested permissions. After a successful sign-in, save the credential. That's it. Your Gmail account is now connected to n8n and ready to use in any workflow with the Gmail node. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you see a redirect URI mismatch, double check that the URI in Google Cloud exactly matches the one shown in n8n. If your consent screen is still in testing, only approved test users can authorize until you publish the app. And if you self-host n8n, ensure the domain and protocol you use in the browser are the ones you added as the redirect URI. You're all set to automate Gmail with n8n.